Hey guys, welcome back to M3 Vlogs. I'm here again. It is Sunday, but you'll see this vlog tomorrow because I'm very tired, but it's been a very long weekend. As you can see, because it's funny. We started doing the skeleton on her, and instead of your normal average skeleton, we decided to go a little bit bolder because, well, we're crazy that way, but she totally agreed to this, so I did not force her to do this. She agreed. She likes being the guinea pig because she likes for me to dress her up. The only problem is that this color stuff stained her fingers. So we are going to see if we can get that off with some micellar water so that way she doesn't walk around.
Still blue.
If she doesn't walk around looking like a clown all day tomorrow. If she does, I'll just take pictures all day and post them. Put them on my Instagram. This is what happens when you use colored paint. But one side's blue, one side's purple. She did the blue with her fingers. She did the purple with her fingers. So, like I said, I had no part of this. She did majority of it. So now we're going to finish off. We've got these skeleton parts right here. We've got the teeth, and we've got the nose. And we're going to finish these off, even though she looks like she's about to murder somebody behind me. Hope everybody's had a good weekend. If you really just, see more videos, be sure to, like and subscribe.
It's my face, but I can't touch it.
Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that way you are notified every time we upload. I am planning on trying some different looks again. I don't know what we're gonna go with, but tomorrow we will probably do.
Look at my eyes.
I still have those leopard stencils. I might see if I can turn her into a leopard, or maybe do like make you look like a cat, but with the leopard print.
Make me look like Caesar.
I don't have that ability, but maybe the leopard print. I think it looks really good. I don't have orange, but I have a yellow. I like a yellow color.
You look a tan.
A gold. It's right here, a golden yellow. That, and then I could outline the spots in black or brown. I got brown too. So we just got to see what we can do with these to create these different looks.
I dark my eyes and.
It looks really creepy because she's got black around her eyes. We try to make it look as real as possible, even though it's kind of fun for like a little kid. But she might be freaking some people out right about now.
I got itch on my eyebrow.
Now she's about to lose her damn mind. So.
Oh my god! Look how yellow that is.
Yeah, I put yellow paint, and when I put it on her, it looks like butter.
It does.
That's what I told her it was.
Look.
So I said, I was putting it on her, I said, I can't believe it's not butter. Not a brand deal, by the way.
Can you not get it off?
I ain't even trying at the moment. I'm just kind of looking at it.
I can barely recognize myself right now.
Yeah,
I got an itch everywhere.
You a funny looking critter. Alright. Let's get this on you.
I have an itch everywhere.
Get your nose done. I don't want it to stick on that paint. And my finger's blue.
Now you know how I feel.
Okay, so you want me to use the powder? Or not the powder, the blue. The white crayon. Oh my god. And white right here. Or did you want me going with more yellow?
White.
White. Okay. Shouldn't that be fun? We're gonna see if we can freak out my husband too.
Okay.
Okay,
so.
There you go. That is the skeleton's nose.
Oh, yeah, add purple right
Yeah, I need to touch up the purple and the blue. We went ahead and did that before we started the vlog again. Because
so we didn't keep you guys for like an hour again.
It's very time consuming when you're doing face makeup like this. Very, very, very time consuming. So we just want to give you, you know, the tidbits. I try to keep you out all day.
But it still looks cool, don't it?
It does. I think it looks cool. I think it looks cool, especially for, like, if you have a little kid that wants their whole face painted, you know. Little kids, that like to be painted for Halloween. It makes them really excited, so I think it looks really cool. So next we are going to do her lips. Hopefully the sticker sticks, too, because...
I don't think you'll have, like, worry about... How you just go on with, like, oh, never mind. That won't look that good.
No, I'm trying to make it look good.
See, there's, like, pieces of hair on me. Like, hair.
So what you get for having cat all over you all the time?
He's outside every day.
Yeah, but when he comes in here, he's like her best friend. He's, like, all over the place.
Meow, meow.
And she's the only one that he will love on. I hate these stupid stickers.
True.
That, and I have fingernails, so that makes it even worse.
True.
And they're good for stencils, but as far as getting them off, I mean, come on, give me some pull tabs or something.
What?
Some pull tabs, you know, something, a little
Oh.
tab. Make it a little easier for us with nails. I need to do my nails again.
Usually people with nails can open things easier than people without.
I see the separation, I just gotta get... We're not on Jeopardy. Okay, I got it.
Thank goodness.
Shut up. See what kind of sass I get all day? Let's see. Let's get this. Yeah, there we go. We zipped her lips. Best damn thing that could happen all day. Right there. Let's keep that like that. Don't speak. Keep your mouth shut. That is actually really cool. Even like that, that's cool. Yeah. See, she can't talk. Best $1.98 I ever spent. And this is going to be hard because this is going to take off the purple before it puts the white on. Stop moving. I should have just came in with the silver. She's a mime now. See if we can get her to... She's still quiet, though. So, by all means, let her be quiet. I have silver right here, so let's get this over. I should have done the yellow instead of the silver. Ha 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 ha. You can't talk. Shut up. Nope, I can't hear you. Nope, can't hear you. Not trying to. Don't want to hear it, don't want to hear it. Let's see. Oh, I got a little silver on your face. Hey, look, I got a lot of silver on your face. Lovely. She can't talk at all. Best thing you could ever do to a child. Tell them they have no lips and all they do is just put their, paint on their face. Let's see. Alright, ready? Now I gotta fix the purple.
You kind of see it.
You can kind of see it.
Not like fully, but maybe go with the white, like over
Maybe
top.
go over it
top
with the white or the yellow.
My lips hurt from like going.
Haha. Okay.
My fingers blue.
I can probably go over it with the yellow. Where's the yellow? Here it is. Oh, got that on my pants. Are you laughing at me? Okay, we better zip your lip again. Here, hold this. Monster. See if we get this back on here. Perfect. needs to be over more.
Mm-hmm.
Stop talking. You're supposed to shush. Skeletons can't talk.
Mm-hmm.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
Nuh-uh.
Mm-hmm.
No, skeletons don't talk. Go ahead with it. What color are you putting in there? Green? Let her go ahead. You just wiped that on me. Look, now you made your mustache fall off. Good thing I'm not dressing up as Elvis. You'd be a disappointment.
You'd be a disappointment.
No. Come on, Butterface.
Hmm?
No, it's too high. Oh my gosh. Hold on to it there, Scooby Snack. It looks like, I told her it looks like the stuff that you put from deviled eggs. Okay. Take that off for a minute and let's fix up the blue and the
I can't.
other. There you go. That looks better. She looks like a cat.
I look like Santa Claus with a beard and a mustache.
She's creepy, isn't she? We know. We're aware. Well aware. Okay, put it in the trash. It's right there. Okay, we have makeup everywhere. What are you doing? Kid for sale.
I can't grip the white.
I hope you can, because I got makeup everywhere up here. Just some of that deviled egg mess off my fingers. Just a mess, but we have fun with it, so it's not that big of a deal. Okay, come here, purple face. Let me touch you up here.
I can't beat that big. Whoa.
Fill the rest of this in with just some purple paint. I'm using a Q-tip because it's easier to get closer to the line without going over and making it look bad. Same thing for this down here. Just touch up around the mouth with purple. And then it cleans up all those lines. It doesn't look so bad, you know. There's a line there from the deviled egg stuff. Deviled egg stuff. That's what it looks like. Alright, so we go in and we just fill in anything where purple's missing. And then we do the same thing on the other side with blue. Alright, what you think? It looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Final thoughts? Final thoughts on that? Like I said, if you all have any, you know, ideas, anything you want us to try, anything you want us to, you know, give a whirl to, we can. I'm not opposed to any of it. So, you know, anything you want us to, you might want to see, I think we are going to try to do the leopard tomorrow. We can try to do that, and then we can try...
Butterfly?
Yeah, let's go put some butterflies and stars and stuff on her face. I don't know what else I'm going to do. We'll have to see what else I can come up with. I might have to Google some ideas and see what we can come up with. Or you guys
can tell us.
Yeah, you guys can comment below and let us know what you'd want to see me do to her. If it's anything that has to do with the pumpkin or anything, just let me know. I can get some paint and stuff this week. Might do that. Make some orange paint and turn her into a pumpkin. A scary pumpkin. She's already creepy without makeup, but... She's... So inappropriate, dear. With your blue Smurf makeup.
Blue Smurf and unicorn.
Yep. And we'll let you figure those out for yourself. The jokes that go with those.
They're really,
They're naughty. Too naughty for the internet.
Yeah.
And too naughty for YouTube. Yes, we're very, very crazy people.
Goofy.
Crazy. Goofy is... Goofy does not apply to me. I'm not goofy.
I'm crazy.
I am crazy.
Crazy.
Crazy. No goofy here. Crazy.
Crazy.
That's the correct word for me. Hey, I'm damn proud of it. I'm proud to be crazy.
Nuts.
Nuts. Psycho, a little...
Marbles. She lost her marbles. They rolling.
I lost those 13 years ago when my first kid was born. And I've yet to find them. So, yeah. Hey, I don't take offense to it. I'm crazy. I know I am. And everybody knows me. They know I am too, so. Just makes for funner vlogs.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And click that notification bell to be notified when we upload a new video. Probably. Well, you'll see this one tomorrow.
Monday.
It'll be loaded tomorrow, which is Monday. And then Monday we will record another one for Tuesday. I'm going to try to stay a day ahead. Although I do plan on taking a day off at some point. Because I'm going to run out of ideas. So I might just paint her face and make her look like...
Like, before this, I was just like a blue, purple.
Well, no, because I was going to do the skull. Just...
Yeah, but before this, blue, purple.
Yeah. And we just made it look more cool. I mean, it looks like she's a skeleton with a mask on, really. It's kind of cool. But we hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.